Welcome to the Assiniboine Library's NoodleTools video tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to import an APA-style reference for a book. Note that when importing references for a book, it's helpful to have the book with you. To add sources to a reference list in NoodleTools, we first have to create a project. If you've already created a project for your assignment, you'll skip the following step and simply click the project title to open it. From the My Projects home screen, click the New Project button and enter a project title. The library recommends using your assignment name as the title of your project. This makes it easy for you to match the reference list to your assignment, especially once you have multiple projects created in NoodleTools. For our example today, we'll use Academic Integrity Paper. Once the project title is entered, click the Submit button. Your newly created project will now display on the project home screen. To add sources to the project, click the project title. Click the New Source button. Since the information we're referencing is located in a print book, we'll select the Print or In-Hand option from the list. The source of information is a book, so we'll select the Book option from the list of source types. The editing form opens where we can search for the book we're citing and can edit the available details about it. We'll be searching for our book by its ISBN, a unique number that identifies a specific book. You can also search for books by title or author, but using a book's ISBN is the preferred method. A book's ISBN is usually found on the back cover near the UPC code and on the publication information page, which is usually located on the back of the title page. Enter the ISBN into the Import field and click the Search button. If NoodleTools has a record of our book in its database, the details will display in the Search Results window. Select the search result that matches your book. Sometimes there may be more than one match, so be sure to choose the result that matches what you have in hand. Click the Import Selected Source button, then click the Continue button. Sometimes the imported reference has formatting errors, so at this point it's important to review the reference details to make sure they're formatted correctly. Use the book's title page and the publication information page to verify that the reference details are correct. The title page usually includes the title, the subtitle, the contributor name. This can be an author, editor, compiler, translator, or illustrator, the edition, and the publisher. The publication information page usually includes the details just mentioned, in addition to the publication or copyright date. One of the great things about NoodleTools is it will usually notify us when it detects an error in formatting. However, it doesn't always detect errors, so it's up to you to verify the formatting is correct. But don't worry, NoodleTools helps remind us what the formatting rules are by providing helpful tips for each field. When a field is selected, an information icon displays. Click the icon to open the tip for that particular element of the reference. For example, here we see that NoodleTools reminds us that the book title should be capitalized in sentence style. Looking at our imported title, it's capitalized incorrectly. NoodleTools warns us about the error by displaying a warning icon, as we can see here. When we click into a field that displays a warning icon, NoodleTools tells us what error is detected and makes suggestions on how to fix it. Pay close attention to the capitalization in the book title field. This is the piece of information that most commonly has formatting errors when imported. If the contributor role is incorrect in the imported details, choose the role that matches the information provided in the book. For example, in our book, Tracy Bretag is listed as an editor, not an author. To change the contributor info, click the Contributor drop-down menu and select Editor. Once you're confident that the formatting and information in the form is correct, click the Save button. Your source will now display in the reference list. That concludes this tutorial on importing an APA-style reference for a book. Watch our other videos in this series for further guidance in using NoodleTools.